What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you another opportunity that you can use to make some money online. And this one, I've said it before, but maybe a lot of people weren't paying attention, but I'm just going to highlight it again. But first, I want to talk about how the average person uses the internet. So they get up, go on a mobile phone, check social media, whether it be Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or Facebook. You probably check the comment section, scroll through a few videos, go in the comment section, look for a funny comment, smile, laugh, whatever, and try to probably even be the top commenter on that funny video. That's how the average person uses the internet. Now, if you find yourself in that category, here's what I want you to start doing. While you're using the internet, I want you to start seek out opportunities. Those same person video you like, share, comment, and subscribe to, I want you to look out for the ones that have potential, right? The ones that might become a brand in the future, the ones that might start selling merch. And if you realize that a trend with most of the TikTokers, YouTubers, or Instagram influencers, once they get popular and have a large audience, they start selling merch. The next thing that they're going to do is build a website to sell the merch that they are selling. And in order to build a website, you need a domain name. Now, domain names are like the real estate on the internet. You can buy and sell them for a profit. Now, imagine you had purchased usaintbolt.com before you became famous, as well as a domain name like dexadops.com. How much would they be willing to pay you for that domain name? So if you were paying attention in the video which I talked about how to do affiliate marketing, you'd realize that I mentioned brunacons.com. So she's an upcoming TikToker with over 500k followers. So I purchased her domain name, and in the event that she's going to need that domain name, she's going to be after willing to pay me any price that I'm selling that domain name for. And this is the opportunity I want to share with you. Start purchasing domain names. You can buy a domain name for as little as 99 cents. However, terms and conditions may apply. However, after you purchase a domain for 1 year, you have to re-register it the other year. So where can you buy domain names? You can buy them from hosting sites like hostgator.com or GoDaddy.com, and then you can list them on websites like eBay or even afternick.com. I do recommend afternick.com because that is ideal for buying and selling domain names. It is pretty much built for it. While you own those domain names, you can actually earn passive income through what is called a parking service. So a website like afternick.com allows you to park your domain name as well. So when someone visits that domain name on the internet, ads will be shown on the website, and if someone clicks on those ads, then you'll earn a small commission from that ad. So the ads that are shown is not controlled by you, they are random, and anything can be shown on the domain name. So you won't necessarily make a lot unless that domain becomes really popular, and then you're getting a lot of traffic to that domain. But if you have the domain name, why not park it and earn additional income? But with Afternick, once you're setting up the domain for sale, it will automatically give you the option to park that domain name, so you don't have to worry about that part of it. And that's a great way to earn passive income. There is no money sweeter than earning passive income. Passive income, money that you pretty much don't have to really work for. You just make an investment of time or money upfront, and then that's it. Sit there and generate income for you. The amount you actually can earn from selling domain really varies from as low as $20 to millions of US dollars. If you're fortunate to get a website that someone is willing to pay millions of dollars for, then you can get $1 million US dollars just for a domain name. Here are a list of domain names that were sold for millions of dollars in the past. One challenge with this is that you can stuck with domain names that are hard to sell, and you might not make any money from doing this at all. That's why it is important that you narrow down your search and select creators with potential, the ones that are likely to be selling a product or a services, and they are going to want their domain name. Most likely, they are going to want to have the same domain name as their handle. So for example, my name on TikTok is MRJM. My name on Instagram is MRJM. If I go on Twitter, I'm going to want MRJM. And chances are they are going to do the same. So when it comes down to the domain name, most likely I'm going to want mrjm.com, and that is what you're going to purchase. Like I said before, domain names are unique, and once you purchase it, that's it. They have to purchase it from you if they want that exact domain name. So for some people, they might be wondering, where am I going to get the money to make the purchase of these domains? When you go on the road on a given day, you spend $1,000 that you probably didn't budget for. That's $1,000 you can invest in a domain name. Now for like a female who does their hair every month, and let's say they normally pay $10,000 to do their hair, this is just an example, then a month you probably need to find a hairdresser that charges $1,000 less, and you have $1,000 that you can use purchase a domain for that month. Now for the entire year, you will have at least 12 domain names, and these 12 domain names, you can sell them from anywhere between, as I said before, $20 to hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending if you are lucky enough to get those one that are high in demand and one that someone is willing to pay the big bucks for. And for the men, if you normally give the female that $10,000 to do their hair, then you just charge them $1,000 and say, hey, you only have $9,000 this month, you can find $1,000 to make it up. Just an example, I'm just putting the options out there that you can use to invest. Because when it comes down to investing, people normally say, I don't have a lot of money and I don't know where to get the money from. So these are just some basic examples of how you can start accumulating domain names over the years. Now, to summarize, 1, you need to find a upcoming TikToker that has potential. 2, you need to buy the domain name. And 3, you need to list it for sale. And that's pretty much it. It just sit there and you don't have to do anything else. If someone wants it, they'll reach out to you and you'll get the relevant notification emails that someone wants to purchase that domain. And if you want to know that people in Jamaica are actually willing to pay for a domain, yes. Recently I was watching a video on Anonovia's channel where she was talking about probably 10 ways to make money online in Jamaica. And she went on to say that when she wanted her domain name, someone already had that domain name and she had to purchase it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and comment.